Discover the elegance and practicality of the Sunwings Peel and Stick mosaic tiles. Perfect for sprucing up your kitchen, bathroom, or fireplace, these tiles boast natural stone beauty with a modern, polished finish in a versatile beige color. Each sheet is designed for easy installation. You just peel and stick. The robust adhesive backing ensures superior adhesion to almost any clean, smooth surface, making renovations a breeze. Not only are these tiles fade and scratch resistant, but they're also easy to maintain. Just wipe them clean to keep your home looking sleek and stylish. Transform your space today with Sunwings. Discover the ultimate solution for your kitchen and bathroom backsplash needs with Stick Goo's thicker design peel and stick tiles. These tiles offer a modern appeal in a classic beige and white pattern, ideal for refreshing any space. Uniquely engineered, they're 2 to 3 times thicker than average tiles, providing exceptional durability. The enhanced adhesive ensures they stick securely not only to smooth, but also lightly textured surfaces. Cover more area with less hassle thanks to the tile's larger size. Installation is a breeze. Just peel, interlock, and stick. No grout, no mess. Elevate your home decor with ease, saving time and money. Step into the world of home design with the Art 3D's Peel and Stick Backsplash tiles in spruce gray. These tiles boast a rustic, distressed wood texture, perfect for a sleek yet cozy upgrade. Made from durable PVC, they're not only waterproof and heat-resistant, but also fade-free, ensuring longevity. With simple DIY installation, just peel and stick. Suitable for most smooth surfaces, these tiles instantly transform kitchens, bathrooms, and more. Despite their ease, they offer the sophisticated look of real stone or wood without the hefty cost. Make a statement effortlessly. Bring your space into stylish harmony with Art 3D. Looking to transform your space with ease? Meet the Taiwu's Thick Kitchen Backsplash Tile in elegant blue. These 12 by 12-inch vinyl tiles offer a polished Art Deco style with a simple peel and stick installation. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and even RVs, their moisture resistance makes them a versatile choice. These tiles feature a crystal epoxy resin surface that mimics real tiles, providing a 3D visual appeal. Customers praise their ease of application and repositionability, making them an ideal choice for renters too. Enhance your space effortlessly and affordably with these innovative tiles from Taiwu's. Are you tired of outdated kitchens and bathrooms? Meet the FunStick Dark Blue Subway Tile Peel and Stick Backsplash. These tiles are your perfect transformation tool, with dimensions of 12 by 12 inches and a vibrant dark blue color. Crafted from eco-friendly polystyrene, they're designed to be easy to install, heat-resistant, and most importantly, budget-friendly. Ideal for renters and homeowners alike, they require no special tools or expertise. Just peel, stick, and watch your space transform. Whether for a kitchen or a bathroom, these tiles promise elegance and simplicity. Elevate your interiors effortlessly with FunStick today. Introducing Taiwu's Peel and Stick Subway Backsplash, your solution for quick, stylish upgrades. This 20-sheet set in vibrant green is perfect for kitchens and bathrooms. Its 3D epoxy surface mimics real tiles while offering a minimalist, timeless design. Installation couldn't be easier with the peel and stick method, ensuring excellent adhesion that stays put. It's waterproof too, protecting your walls from moisture. With dimensions of 12 by 12 inches, these vinyl tiles are lightweight yet durable, making them easy to cut and install. Transform your space effortlessly and enjoy the practical elegance it brings to your home. Transform your home effortlessly with Midcard's 10-piece adhesive PVC backsplash tile in elegant dark brown. Each 12 by 12-inch tile boasts a polished, modern finish and is made from durable, eco-friendly PVC. The peel and stick installation promises a mess-free setup, offering an impressive 9.6 square feet coverage per pack. Designed with a strong adhesive, these tiles stay put on both smooth and lightly textured surfaces. They're not just waterproof, but also heat-resistant, making them perfect for kitchen and bathroom updates. Elevate your space in style and safety delivering both beauty and peace of mind. Transform your space effortlessly and stylishly with Casaro's peel and stick marble tiles. These versatile, self-adhesive tiles feature a stunning blend of beige and vintage gold, making them the perfect choice for modern interiors. Designed to withstand the test of time, they boast a polished finish and durable materials, ensuring no scratches or color fading. Installation is a breeze. Just peel, stick, and admire your fresh new look. Whether it's the kitchen, bathroom, or fireplace, these tiles provide a high-end aesthetic without the high cost. Upgrade your decor today and enjoy lasting beauty and functionality. Transform your home space with Smafusion's Greystone Diamond Mosaic tiles. These elegant tiles feature an authentic natural stone texture, offering a unique, earthy sheen that elevates your design. The geometric rhombus pattern creates stunning 3D visuals, seamlessly blending with a range of aesthetics, from wood to concrete. Perfectly slip-resistant, these tiles ensure safety in wet areas like shower floors and bathrooms. With convenient 5-sheet packs, they're ideal for small projects or accent walls. Preserve their beauty with a simple stone sealer, ensuring enduring elegance and functionality. Enhance your interiors today with a touch of modern sophistication. Step into a world of exquisite design with Premoon's ceramic pebble tiles, ideal for transforming any space into a chic paradise. These aqua teal blue tiles feature a timeless heart pattern, offering a polished finish and unparalleled durability. Designed for versatility, these tiles are perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and even outdoor spaces, thanks to their non-slip, waterproof properties. Installation is seamless with a durable mesh backing, ensuring effortless application. Elevate your home decor with these beautifully crafted tiles that promise both elegance and functionality, adding a spa-like vibe to your surroundings. Ever considered transforming your kitchen or bathroom without the hassle of traditional tiling? Meet the Moonfun Peel and Stick Backsplash tiles. These elegant blue and gray marble patterned tiles offer an easy, cost-effective makeover. At 4 by 8 inches per tile, they cover over 11 square feet with a set of 50 pieces. Designed for strength and durability, they resist water and heat, making them perfect for any high-moisture environment. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel and stick for a seamless, modern look. Ready to revamp your space effortlessly? Dive into the allure of Moonfun tiles today. Transform your space with elegance and sophistication using Premoon's Gold Tile Long Hexagon Mosaic tiles. This stunning product is perfect for those looking to add a touch of luxury to their interiors. Crafted from real stainless steel, these tiles feature a classic geometric pattern in a rich gold and copper color palette, offering durability and style in equal measure. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications, they are perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and even commercial spaces. Easy to clean and install with mortar and grout, they promise a sleek finish and are built to withstand water and high temperatures. Elevate your design game with these versatile, high-quality metallic tiles. Discover the ultimate in DIY transformation with the Vamos Tile Long Hexagon Peel and Stick Backsplash tile. Ideal for kitchens and bathrooms, these 12.4 by 12-inch glossy wood grain tiles offer a stunning ceramic look with hassle-free installation. Simply peel, interlock, and stick to invigorate your space without the mess of grout. Made from durable PVC, they're waterproof and heat-resistant, perfect for high-use areas like backsplashes and showers. Whether you're upgrading a kitchen island or adding flair to an RV, Vamos Tile is your go-to for easy elegance. Ready to refresh your home decor? Experience luxury in just minutes. Imagine transforming your kitchen or bathroom with minimal effort using the Elegant 6 inches by 12 inches black slate peel and stick backsplash wall tiles. This innovative solution combines simplicity and style. With a textured surface designed to mimic real slate, these tiles offer elegance without the hassle. They're crafted from durable PVC, ensuring they are waterproof and heat-resistant, perfect for spaces like kitchens and bathrooms. Simply peel off the backing and stick them to your prep-ready wall. Plus, the subway pattern allows for creative installation. Upgrade your space with ease and enjoy a touch of Art Deco charm in your home. Transform your kitchen or bathroom with stick goose peel and stick backsplash tiles. These 3D mosaic tiles boast a metallic brushed shine, offering a modern look to any space. Made from durable aluminum, they resist heat and moisture, making them a reliable choice for kitchens and bathrooms. Easy to install, simply peel and stick these adhesive-backed tiles to create a high-end look without the hassle. Each set covers 8 square feet with copper-colored tiles, adding depth and luxury to your interior design. Choose stick goo for a quick, stylish, and affordable upgrade to your home decoration. Ready to elevate your home decor effortlessly? Introducing the Oyasimi 10-sheet hexagon peel and stick backsplash tile. This innovative solution offers both convenience and sophistication, bringing a modern touch to your kitchen or bathroom with ease. Made from durable PVC, these copper tiles are not only stylish, but also robust, featuring waterproof and heat-resistant properties. The peel and stick installation means no tools or mess, transforming your space in record time. Whether you're refreshing your kitchen, bathroom, or any corner in need of a facelift, Oyasimi tiles deliver elegance without the hefty price tag. Beautify your home simply and swiftly. Looking to upgrade your space with a modern touch? Meet Creative's Peel and Stick Backsplash tiles. These 12 by 12-inch green tiles bring a glossy, marble-like finish to any room. Effortlessly install them using the peel and stick method, no tools required. Made with durable PU and PET materials, they resist water, oil, and heat, ensuring longevity without color fading or cracking. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and more, their vibrant design transforms walls in an instant. Just apply them on a smooth, clean surface for the best results. Elevate your home decor with ease and style today. Transform your space effortlessly with Moonfun's 50-piece peel and stick backsplash tiles. Each 4 by 8-inch tile, crafted from durable PVC, boasts a breathtaking golden-veined emerald marble finish, offering a modern, geometric pattern that's both heat and water resistant. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and beyond, these tiles feature a strong adhesive for easy, tool-free installation, covering 11.11 square feet. While customers praise the stunning aesthetics and ease of application, some suggest additional glue for lasting adhesion. Priced at $26.99, these self-adhesive tiles promise to elevate your home's elegance with minimal effort. Transform your living space with the Q-Chihong Nordic-style stone wallpaper. Designed in a nostalgic retro fashion, this unique dark gray wallpaper adds a sophisticated touch to any room, from your living room to a trendy coffee shop. Crafted from durable polyvinyl chloride, it's environmentally friendly and waterproof, ensuring longevity and ease of maintenance. Covering up to 57 square feet, a single roll brings three-dimensional, realistic rock patterns to life, enhancing the texture of your walls. For optimal results, ensure clean, smooth surfaces and use wallpaper glue, remembering that adequate preparation means flawless application. Looking for a quick and stylish home upgrade? Check out Oyasimi's 80-piece stone beige thick PVC peel and stick backsplash. These waterproof subway tiles offer you the elegance of a high-end kitchen or bathroom without the hassle. Simply peel and stick onto a clean surface, no grout, no mess. Made from durable PVC stone composite, these tiles are scratch-resistant, impact-resistant, and fade-proof, making them perfect for areas exposed to moisture and heat. Creative DIYers will love the versatility of these tiles, as they can easily be arranged in various patterns. Elevate your space effortlessly and enjoy the satisfaction of your own mini home makeover.